Tonganba Awang Nongpok Lamdamgi Lup Marina Sinduna Ngasi Press Club TRIPURA Problem and Prospect of Manipur Diaspora Student in Northeast India HAIBA HIRAMDA NONGMAGI OIBA KHANA NEINABAGI MIPHAM PANGTHOKHIBAGA LOINANA Awang Nongpok Lamdamgi LEIRIBA MANIPURI Diaspora Student Union Association SINGI APUNBA Organizing Committee SEMBA HAINA Warep Loukhre Hairi All Assam Manipuri Student Union AMSU Tripura Manipuri Student and Youth Coordination Committee TMSYCCO Silong Manipuri Student Union SMSU Amadi Manipurgi Mahairoi Lup Amaga Punna Khutek Piduna Press Thadorapa Chirolamada Hai Ngasi Pangthokhiba KHANA NEINABAGI MIPHAM Aduda AMSU ki President Ngasepam Sanahal TMSYCCO ki President Khabrabam Diren SMSU gi Women Coordinator Thokchom Zina Amadi Manipur gi Mahairoi Lup Amagi Vice President Thoromapu Oiki Maduda deliberation on political socio-economic issue of the Manipuri diaspora in different northeast state of India and need for united forum amadi formation of an organizing committee for making a joint forum for the Manipuri Diaspora Students Association for the Northeast State HAIBA agenda ani pukatuna KHANA NEINABAGI LOINANA warep ahum lauki warep sing adudi Northeast State singda leiriba Manipuri Diaspora Student Union Association singi APUNBA SEMNABA Organizing Committee SEMBA Organizing Committee adugi Joint Coordinator Sing Khanba Amadi Mathangi MIPHAM Atubada Assam gi Silchar da Pangthokpa haina yana ki hairi Cherol aduda makhata na hai Organizing Committee SEMNABA Amadi Mathau Tongnaba Khalaba Representative Sing adudi Manipur dagi Mahairoi Lup Amagi Vice President Amadi Advisor oina khanki Assam gi oina AMSU gi former President L Surendra President Ngasepam Sanahal General Secretary Asangbam Swapani Meghalaya gi oina SMSU gi President RK Priya Women Coordinator Thokchom Zina Advisor CS Krishni Amadi Tripura gi oina TMSYCCO gi Assistant General Secretary Gyambem Pravin Member S Aniket and Hrisikesh Dattani Organizing Committee SIGI Joint Coordinator oina mioi mari khale haina Cherol sta makhatari
for making a joint forum for the Manipuri Diaspora Student Association for the Northeastern States. An organizing committee has been constituted with the following representatives of the All Manipur Students Union AMSU, All Assam Manipuri Student Union AMSU, Shillong Manipuri Student Union SMSU, and Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee. Makhada representing Manipur dagi N Wahamba, S Anil, Assam dagi Laurembam Surendra, Ngasepam Sanahal, Asangbam Sopan, Meghalaya dagi RK Priyalini, Thokchom Jina Chanu, CS Chris, Tripura dagi Myo Yahum Kwai Pravin Singh, and Rishikesh Datta. Unamagna mi Taramakoi sina koi organizing committee se seme